हमारा इवेंट हो रहा है 422 में यंग बच्चों के लिए, प्लीज़ आए और हमें ज्वाइन करें।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हमारा इवेंट हो रहा है, यहाँ पर हम यंग बच्चों के जॉब के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं। हमारे बच्चों के फ्यूचर की जॉब अच्छी होनी चाहिए, इसके बारे में, और बिजनेस अच्छा होना चाहिए।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, प्लीज़ कम, आप सब आओ, आपको पता चले क्या क्या हो रहा है, क्या अवेलेबल है जॉब के लिए।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज बॉलीफिट एक्टिव 422 कैफ़े में इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज किया है जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ के लिए फॉर साउथ एशियन कम्युनिटी।
प्लीज़ जल्दी आए, जब तक आप आएंगे नहीं कैसे पता चलेगा क्या हो रहा है इधर।
Hi, we're part of Bollyfit Active CIC and we're doing an event at 422 debating our children's future.
Children are our future. If we want a better future, we create better informed children who know what to do with their employment, who have access to good employment, access to good jobs, access to support, mentoring, and that's what we're doing.
Expecting to learn more about how I can find jobs and what the barriers that are in place for me because I am South Asian.
इस इधर इवेंट पे आई हूँ, मैं इंफॉर्मेशन लेना चाहती हूँ और अपनी नॉलेज में इजाफा करना चाहती हूँ कि क्या प्रॉब्लम्स आ रहे हैं यूथ को यहाँ पे जॉब्स के लिए।
Finished university, he's graduated, and after graduation it was so hard for him just to walk into a job, even though he did business management.
That's a good idea because the sort of work that we've done in the community, we always find more gather together resources.
A job. I was previously working with teachers, not of a job because there was some issues and stuff. And again, there was this discrimination and everything, and I left the job, and everybody said that if I leave the job, I won't get another job. But, I wouldn't compromise on the situation that was going on.
23, and he's not in work at the moment.
No.
And he can't find no work. So high school के लिए बच्चों के ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा बर्डन होता है, फिर वो पीछे रहने शुरू हो जाते हैं, फिर ये उसके बाद ये असली रिपोर्ट मिलनी शुरू होती है।
Not out there, yeah. And where it comes from in that young age, in our children, is scary. For mothers, it's scary. He's very confident young boy. They got their goals, they got motivation to move forward in their life. But these are the barriers, and the scary thing for a family as a whole.
तो बच्चे इन्वॉल्व होते हैं इस तरह आपस में, और यहाँ मैनचेस्टर में आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा है कि सैटरडे मेरी गली में फायरिंग हुई है और पुलिस आई है आके वो अरेस्ट करके लेके दिया। हम इतने स्कैर्ड हैं कि बच्चों को राउंड तक कॉर्नर भी अकेले नहीं भेज सकते। But they always say, okay, go online and find a job, go online and find a job. तो मैंने सुना था कि जैसे कि ये जो वुमेन मिशन सेंटर खुला हुआ है ये यंग पीपल के लिए खोला हुआ है।
Today's event was very good. I think it was a success. It was very needed in this community because our children, our next generation, they need the support, they need the help. They might not always go out to get it, but if it comes to them, then it's better that way.
आज हमने यहाँ बहुत अच्छा इवेंट हुआ है लोगों का। हमने यहाँ पे यंग भी आए थे बच्चे और पेरेंट्स भी आए थे, और हमारे जो फंडर्स थे, हमारी जो टीम थी बेस की, उनसे बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेक्शन हुआ है।
Yeah, today's debate was extremely important because it's the first big debate roadshow that we've had specifically for South Asian women, and some of the contributions and some of the issues around the barriers to employment for young people have been really highlighted well. But not only that, we are here to co-design solutions.
It was great, we learned a lot.
Very nice.
बहुत अच्छी information, very informative. Very community engagement was brilliant.
Very interactive.
And lots of good questions and answers.
वेरी नाइस। हम सबको ये तो पता था मसले क्या, पर हमें उम्मीद होगी कि इन मसलों का हल भी होगा।
Very positive, very interactive. Thank you everyone. Wonderful turnout today. Thank you.
Great contribution from the ladies.
Learn a lot.
That's a job. Yes.
after that.
Thanks, guys.
And if you